Recently, the K-pop world was rocked again by shocking news involving two BTS members Jungkook and Taehyung. A snippet of Jungkook conversation and a mysterious statement, allegedly from Taehyung, suddenly went viral on social media, sending fans into a frenzy. In the circulating clip, Jungkook is seen revealing something the public had previously been unaware of. Men suspect that the sentence holds a hidden meaning about the two's relationship and the closeness of camera. Furthermore, some armies believe that HYB is trying to cover this up to avoid further speculation. However, as usual, fans were quick to react. Hashtags related to Jungkook and Taehyung immediately top trending topics on various platforms, while video clips and fan theories continued to emerge. Was Jungkook really sending an implicit message to Taehyung, or was this just a misunderstanding blown out of proportion by the public? However, what made things even more suspicious was HYBE's swift reaction after the video clip circulated. Several large fanbase accounts suddenly deleted related posts, and the posts discussing the topic suddenly disappeared without a trace. Men believed that HYB was indeed trying to control the situation before the rumors spread further. However, fans certainly didn't stay silent. They began searching for the original clips of the interview, comparing Jungkook's intonation and even analyzing his body language when he mentioned Taehyung. And the result, they discovered even more strange things. One of the most talked about moments was when Jungkook appeared to smile slightly after mentioning Taehyung's name, then lowered his head as if holding back something he didn't want to say on camera. Men armies argued that it wasn't an ordinary smile. There was a deeper meaning behind that expression. Several theories emerged. Some said Jungkook was trying to convey something implicitly, perhaps about his friendship with Taehyung being stronger than people thought. However, some argued that the statement was related to a private moment that shouldn't be public knowledge. Whatever the truth, one thing is clear: Jungkook's reaction was unusual, and the HYBE seemingly covering it up only made the public even more suspicious. The question now is it true that Jungkook has a secret message for Taehyung? Or is this all just a big misunderstanding deliberately exaggerated by netizens? To date, there has been no more official statement from HYB or Jungkook himself, but one thing is certain: every time Jungkook and Taehyung's names appear in the same sentence, the K-pop world is always in an uproar. And most shockingly, several internal sources claiming to be close to HYB staff said that there was a portion of Jungkook's interview that was intentionally kept from the public. The portion allegedly contained lines deemed too personal, and could spark no speculation. Fans are now speculating, coming up with theory after theory. Some even believe that Jungkook and Taehyung may have been going through something together, something they're not ready to share publicly yet. Until the truth is revealed, one thing is clear: the relationship between Jungkook and Taehyung is more than just being bandmates. There's a strong bond, there's a deeper meaning, and maybe there's a story we haven't heard yet. So, what do you think? Is HYB really hiding something from fans? Leave your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the bell to stay updated on the hottest K-pop news. Although there has been no more official confirmation from HYB, speculation continues to grow among fans. Some fans suspect that Jungkook previously missing interview clip may have contained personal comments related to Taehyung. However, others believe this is simply a misunderstanding due to an incomplete video clip. Both Jungkook and Taehyung are known to have a very close friendship since their debut in BTS. The two have frequently shown support for each other, both on stage and outside of music. Despite the rumors, armies remain hopeful that this issue will not lead to misunderstandings. They emphasize that whatever the relationship between the members, the most important thing is the mutual respect and the support they provide for one another. To date, HYB has not issued any statement regarding the news, but as usual, the K-pop world seems to be talking about these two big names, Jungkook and Taehyung. A few days after the interview clip went viral, fans discovered something that further strengthened their suspicions. During one of Jungkook's recent live broadcasts, when a fan mentioned Taehyung's name, his expression immediately changed as if he were trying to hide something. He simply smiled faintly, then quietly said, Taehyung, he's always special. That simple sentence sent fans around the world into a frenzy. What did Jungkook mean by special? Was it a friendly gesture of support? Or was there another meaning only that the them understood? Shortly afterward, Taehyung also appeared in a separate broadcast. And strangely enough, when someone mentioned Jungkook's name, he simply smiled, staring at the camera for a few seconds without saying anything. It was a strange smile, but it hit many questions. From there, fans began to realize that there might be an implicit communication between the two of them, a way for them to convey messages without having to say them directly in public. Men believe that the two are facing immense pressure, especially after Hyebe reportedly tightened privacy and the interaction rules between members on social media. Yet, despite this, both Jungkook and Taehyung consistently demonstrate that their relationship remains strong. They continue to support each other, calling each other names, without even needing to say a word. What's clear is that the more Hyebe tries to remain silent, the more questions arise. And now, the entire K-pop world is waiting. When will Jungkook and Taehyung speak honestly about all this? Will they speak out? Or will they choose to remain silent to protect something more important? Only time will tell. Some particularly observant fans discovered something else that was no more less surprising. In one of BTS's old vlogs, backstage, there's a brief moment when Jungkook looks at Taehyung with an unusual expression. It's not just a look shared between colleagues, but a look that seems to hold admiration, closeness, and something that can't be described in words. The clip has now gone viral again and has become a topic of discussion on fan forums worldwide. Men believe that their relationship is much deeper than what has been shown to the public. Others think that perhaps this is all just an over-interpretation by fans. Interestingly, however, every time rumors like this arise, Hyebe always chooses to remain silent. No more confirmation, no more clarification, as if they know that silence is the best way to calm the storm. But is that really true? Or perhaps, silence is actually their way of hiding something that shouldn't be known to the public? Now, men fans can only wait and see, waiting for the moment when Jungkook and Taehyung can finally speak freely without restrictions, without censorship, without fear of public perception. And when that day comes, perhaps the world will truly know what the true meaning of the relationship between Jungkook and Taehyung, two names that have long been legendary in the world of K-pop. One thing is for sure, whatever the trip, these two have shown the meaning of true friendship, loyalty, and warmth in the midst of the global spotlight. And perhaps that's why millions of people around the world continue to love them. So, what do you think? Army, is Hyebe really hiding something? Or is this just a form of love and friendship that's too often misunderstood? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to click like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Because in the next video, we'll be discussing even more shocking no facts about Jungkook and Taehyung's relationship. Something that's never been revealed before. A few days after the rumors peaked, Taehyung posted a black and white photo on his personal account. There was no more caption, no more explanation, just a blank stare into the camera and the dim light behind him. But surprisingly, in the comment section, thousands of fans immediately wrote the same thing. Is this a message for Jungkook? Fans began connecting the post to an earlier moment when Jungkook mentioned Taehyung's name during a live broadcast. It was as if the two friends were communicating through codes and symbols, without needing to say each other's names. Fans began to develop new theories. Some suggested that they might be in a difficult situation trying to maintain their relationship despite external pressure. Others argued that this was simply Hybe's strategy to maintain the group's image and focus ahead of their upcoming comeback. However, what was most touching was how ARMY reacted. Instead of dividing, fans united. They flooded social media with messages of support. No more matter what happens, we still love you, Jungkook and Taehyung. You are not alone. This overwhelming support is proof that the BTS members' connection with their fans goes far beyond just music. It's a real emotional bond. And now, the question is growing. Will Hyebe continue to remain silent? Or will they finally speak up and explain what's really going on behind all this? One thing is for sure, the story between Jungkook and Taehyung isn't over. There are still main mysteries left unsolved, and perhaps the truth that has been hidden for so long will finally emerge at an unexpected time. So, stay tuned, because in the next installment, we're going to discuss international fan reactions and the hype's newly revealed secret move. We could change the way we view the and Taehyung's relationship forever. After rumors about Jungkook's secret confession and Taehyung's mysterious post-swag the K-pop world, now the reaction from international fans has really exploded out of control. But their silence this time only made the atmosphere even more tense. Several netizens claiming to be insider began leaking new information